and take a stance, it's getting to an epidemic. Some crazy thing is happening in Jamaica. You understand the people who are kidnap the little pin them and kill them after? The little 10-year-old one and another one of them captured down. I'm going to kill them at Trelawney. And the bag of road them are missing a fix for me, a little picnic. Tired right now, man. A good thing the pipe them lock off. Can the water never in them? Because most people see a ball, say the water now come here, alone water did a run. So a good thing drought there now, them can't find an excuse. So we have so many, not just dancehall. Dancehall is important, but the state of our culture, our country, and we live in a whole heap of things have to fix up.
But you're even threatening Killer to go gospel or reggae.
Yeah, because dancehall, you know, see what going on. If you check, most artists I say, what them I say. When me come in at the thing, me did have to say what me I say, because that me hear the elders them I say. Yes. Me did have to follow with Josie Whale and Shabba Rankin and Ninja Man and Supercat and all these fellas said, no, man, come understand. I want different dancehall, you know. Because we are preach righteousness and them are preach unconsciousness and unrighteousness. We are preach hopefulness, them are bring freakiness. We are say God, them are say demon. And it's always a younger man come and try and change it. You're not going to see another elder going against an elder stance. Yeah. It's always some another little generation like them, like where the founders said. And that's not right. You come in a dance hall, you don't know it was created. Me couldn't come and go against your Shabba and Josie Whale and Supercat and Yellowman them stands and set it. Me come see them and do it and me I follow them, so me have to follow the pattern and the protocol and the rules and the guideline. And nowadays I saw the youth them a move. When time me speak out and tell them, say, listen me, this is not much what we are doing. Them say kill a bad mind and them try to fight against them. Because to most elder now say when me I say them thing about the opinion. Yes. But it's just the truth me I speak on. The truth hurts, but it works. Okay, sir. That's why I always speak the truth. That's why I tell some folks, you can't book me again. Because me speak what is right, and that's my job. And me is a voice of the people. And if I follow on compress everything that's right and push out the wrong thing. Because everybody a lobby about this homosexual thing. Who is lobbying against poverty? Homosexual is not a problem to our country, you know, like poverty, you know. And everybody a lobby if you get out homosexual in the public. Why them not lobby if you get out poverty of the public? And which one is more important? Both of them important, but poverty is the most significant thing that leads to crime. So we need other people to lobby for more important issue, man. That's why I like when the church come out and tell these people, go sit down, man, we could talk about some more important things. Lobby against the people, them we are pedophile against the picnic them, and I kill off the picnic them. I don't see nobody lobby against the two little picnic them dead weekend, guy. That's why I just cuss and rage and talk my mind, because Jamaica become a big hypocrite country.